Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, you're a Mac user just going about your day when suddenly a problem arises. You're trying to use your terminal like a text editor, but those familiar key combinations just aren't working. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the dilemma we're diving into today. Now let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. The key lies in using iTerm2 and customizing your key mappings. By assigning specific hex codes to actions like deleting a word, deleting a line, moving to the beginning of a line, and moving to the end of a line, you can finally make your terminal behave more like a text editor. It's all about taking control and tailoring the experience to suit your needs. With a few tweaks here and there, you'll be seamlessly navigating your terminal like a pro. In summary, we've explored a common problem faced by Mac users who desire text editor-like functionality in their terminal. The solution? Leveraging iTerm2's key mapping feature to customize key combinations and replicate the actions you're accustomed to from text editors. By taking this step, you can streamline your workflow and bridge the gap between your text editor and terminal experiences. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.